Do your homework, ask questions in class, take challenging classes, always take advantage of bonus points. Freshmen, listen up. Hey guys, it's Angela and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be giving my advice to incoming freshmen from an incoming sophomore who's experienced freshman year. Me being a Virgo has divided each of these tips into categories. And the timestamps for each of them will be listed in the description box down below. Let's get into it. The first category that we have is classes and grades. The first tip that I have is take challenging classes, but also classes that you can handle. Basically, this just means that you want to take challenging classes, but you also want to make sure that the workload is an amount that you can handle. Getting a good grade in an easier class is better than getting a bad grade in a harder class. Hold up, let me turn on the lights. I don't even know if that changed anything. Always take advantage of bonus points and extra credit. You may not realize it at the moment, bonus points can actually bring your grade up a lot. Do your homework. Not doing your homework can actually drop your grade down so much. Ask questions in class. Teachers can actually be really helpful throughout your high school years, so building a bond with them would really help in terms of grade, also with like personal stuff too. Try to figure out your way around the school before the first day of school. If your school offers a freshman orientation, make sure you attend it because this will make you a lot more confident when school approaches. Try to memorize your school schedule. This will just make your process of going to your classes a lot more easier. Although grades are really important, especially if you want to attend college, try not to stress out about them too much because grades don't define you as a person. The next category is relationships. You won't be friends with everybody from middle school. This one's harsh, but it's nothing but the truth. It's all a part of the process of growing up and finding out what your true interests are. And I mean, I still have a lot of friends who I'm still close with from middle school, but everyone's experiences are a little bit different. Everything happens for a reason. Life motto: all the struggles that you're going through at the moment will only make you stronger. Go to events. I'm talking homecoming, football games, join clubs. Don't be that lame person that doesn't go to anything, because the worst thing that could happen is regretting not having the full high school experience when you're a senior. Open up to people. No matter how shy you are, try to talk to as many people as you can, especially during the first few days of school. This is a great way to find people with the same interests as you and make new friends. You're gonna meet toxic and fake people. Just try to avoid them and you'll be alright. Also, if you have toxic friends, cut them out. Don't change yourself to fit in with other people. You are beautiful just the way you are. Don't lose friends over boys. It's not worth it, trust me. I mean, personally, I haven't, cause, Also, don't chase boys. We don't chase, we attract. Period. The next category is studying and organization. Write down all your homework as soon as you get them. Don't be like, no, I'll just write it down during break. This is how people end up with missing assignments. Find a way to make homework and studying fun. I know this sounds impossible, but let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. There are different ways you can make studying a little bit more fun. You could listen to music, study in a coffee shop or like a library, use Quizlet or flashcards. Both ways are really great methods of memorizing material. Get 8 hours of sleep. I know this one's really hard for high school students because we're really busy with sports or work or just anything in our personal lives. Just try to get as much sleep as possible because it's really helpful. Eat breakfast. I'm not even going to try to be that person because I'm pretty sure I went through at least 3/4 of my freshman year without eating breakfast, but just try to eat breakfast. Drink water throughout the day. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Especially if you're an athlete, have a good balance between school, social life, work. It's always good to have good time management. Make a back to school emergency kit. These are really easy to make and I'll probably make a video on this. Make sure you memorize your lock combination and write it down in a place where you won't lose it. The last and final tip is to put your mental health first. You are important, always remember that. Okay, so that was the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Freshman year can be a great year if you take it the right way. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, you might as well subscribe down below. Love you.